Every time we do a story on the big one, Kelly, it makes me nervous because we always say like most of our bridges would not withstand the big
Right,
one.
keyword
So,
most.
yeah, so glad that we are going ahead with all this.
Getting some funding there.
Well, you got a bridge behind you there. It's looking pretty nice outside today.
It is, yeah. I believe that is the Burnside Bridge. It's a quiet day. Again, we're not tracking any rain at this moment. Clouds have rolled back in around this noon hour here, and we're sitting in the upper 40s now. We'll continue to push out some of those clouds on the decrease into the afternoon. Even maybe a partly sunny finish before sunset tonight. Temperature is likely hovering in the upper 40s, maybe 50 degrees here around Portland and the Valley by the end of the day. Just a nice Friday on tap here. Temperatures around Salem in the upper 40s, and we're getting some sunshine now across the coastline. I did just check out some of those cameras, and there is still some fog in places too, but it's just a nice day here. We're in the 40s to about 50 degrees. Here's a look at our satellite and radar. Not tracking much again. We are seeing this big band of clouds pushing on through. As soon as that shifts to the east, we'll actually start to get more sunshine here. So that'll be soon. By the later afternoon, we'll get some blue sky breaks out there. Wider view shows this ridge of high pressure that is nudging towards the north. So it is shifting this low system right here out towards the north, that storm track right in between. So we're pushing all this weather towards the north as this ridge again sets up and keeps us pretty clear over the weekend. We're in for morning fog, some lower clouds, just a very calm pattern here. That may lead to even some poor air quality at times. So that is why we do have an air stagnation advisory in place. That just means we have very calm weather here. Our air column not shifting much. Winds will stay very light. And because of that, we may see poor air quality dropping. And again, that air quality dropping due to cars on the roads. And again, just little mixing of that air. So if you have respiratory issues, keep in mind and watch the air quality out there. You're most likely to be affected in this. Otherwise, we'll just see that quiet pattern here for most with dry conditions throughout the weekend. So here's our FUTURECAST. This model pushes those clouds to the east. We should see a few more blue skies heading into the afternoon. The coast also clearing out too, and because of that, we'll see a cold morning tomorrow. Likely more fog to set up our weekend here. Saturday morning, some foggy spots around Portland and down the valley too. Same for out towards the coast. Temperatures likely in the 30s tomorrow morning, but we're back to sunshine through the afternoon. Same for Sunday too. Again, real quiet weather pattern here, not tracking any weather system, so we do stay dry as well. As we head towards Monday, maybe Tuesday of next week, that's when we see this disturbance up towards the north here, wanting to drop in and nudge in a bit of rainfall. So our next chance for rain will likely be sometime in the middle of next week. There could still be some adjustments here, but our forecasts have really been trending with this dry stretch of days. Take a look at the next 10 days. Again, through the weekend, we look dry and likely through MLK Day on Monday. Tuesday through Thursday, again, that's our time to possibly see some showers. But right now, we're continuing to see models keeping us dry. So there's a chance that we maybe get up to 7 to 10 days of dry weather here. Models showing maybe about 1/4 of an inch of rain, which is just very unusual for the last 2 weeks of January. We tend to get maybe around 2 inches of rain. It's a very wet period of the week, but notice how dry we look. So maybe plan some outdoor activities, get that housework done, that yard work done outside. If you're heading up to the mountains this weekend, expect sunshine, expect not much new snow, and expect a lot of traffic. Leave time on both ends to get there and get back. And wear some layers too. It looks a little warm up there heading into the weekend. For the coast, your weekend forecast is also beautiful. Likely starting out the mornings with fog. We'll see some sun breaks, low to mid 50s, just perfect out towards the coast this weekend. Here's your 7-day in Portland. Again, we stay dry, at least through Monday. We're looking at dry conditions with some sun breaks through the weekend. We'll see chilly starts to the morning, chilly overnight temperatures, so keep that in mind. Again, our next chance for rain possibly Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week, sometime maybe in the middle of next week.
Okay, well, I'm looking forward to this nice dry break for, a few days.
It is, again, unusual for January, but I think we'll take it. Kind of nice to see just a break in all that rain that we've been getting.
I wore a blazer to work today.
Oh, that's
I was
cool.
like, look at me. It's like
looking
it's the
sharp
fall or something. Yeah. All right, we'll be right back with more news and a final look at your forecast.